All right, she is in place and everything is level. It's all strapped down and it's naked on the inside, but we're gonna go ahead and take a tour. It's my front porch. Gonna have a little bistro table up here with some chairs. And this is the inside. I chose not to get the loft in the top. And all this is gonna be insulated. It's gonna have electric. It's gonna have air conditioning and heat. Drywall. Gonna have a nice floor. But I've got these two windows here and two windows in the back. And I chose on this long wall not to have any windows. That is basically where a lot of my setup is gonna go for my studio with all my supplies and stuff. So I need one wall that's completely empty. We may take these two boards down that are across the top. They had to do that for the transport. And all the windows are double paned. And I have another window there and another window there. And then I do have, and I'm not really tall enough to reach up there, but I do have a loft up here where I can store stuff, which is cool. And that's over the patio or the deck. So all this is going to be finished off. Uh-oh, I just heard screaming. I hope they didn't knock our fence down when they were leaving. All of this is going to be finished off. And that's it. That's the She Shed Studio tour. Go back out. My door locks. This is down the side. And the other side with no windows. And the back. Awesome birthday, yay!
What do you think? Do you like it? What do you think, Pumpkin? What do you think? Punky Punk. Do you like it, Pumpkin? Huh? Are you scared? Don't be scared. It's all right, baby. Punky, come here, babe. It's all right. Pumpkin. It's okay, baby. Punky.
Now that everybody is gone, I can get a better video of the inside. All of the insulation was put in today, and it was sprayed. and they have delivered the sheetrock. There's sheetrock over there, all their supplies, more sheetrock over here, more supplies, and it's all set up for them to come in tomorrow and sheetrock. And then they will be back on Saturday to do the hard coat. Went and ordered the flooring, paid for the flooring. Flooring's supposed to come in next week. And before the flooring comes here and they install it, I am going to come in and paint on Monday. My she shed is a reality. I cannot believe how fast this is moving. I am so excited. I am hoping by the end of next week, I can start moving my stuff into my new studio. Woo, yay. Sheetrock is up. Not finished, just up. But you can't see the insulation anymore. Looks like a very sterile environment. Ta-da! The taping and mudding are complete. All the edges are done. And they will be back tomorrow to put the hard coat on. Looking pretty good. Went and got all the light fixtures yesterday. The fan and the light fixtures. Moving pretty quickly. Made a bit of a mess on the floor, but that's okay. Apparently this stuff will scrape right up and we're putting the floor down anyway. But that's how she's looking right now. All right, so I'm in the she shed. And I'm gonna be honest with you. This was not what I expected. I expected a hard coat. My husband and I both thought that it was going to be a hard coat. And it's more of a texture that they put down. Or rather that they sprayed on. So, there's still exposed drywall, which means that I'm going to have to come in with a drywall primer that I'm going to have to roll out onto the ceiling, the seams, the walls, the windowsills, all of that before I can paint, which means extra work for me. But I guess I'm okay with that. I have to admit, there were tears shed earlier today. Tears shed for the she shed because this was not what I was expecting. But rather than hold the show up, I'm just gonna go ahead and get some drywall primer and put that up on the walls and the ceilings and everything. So the next step is me doing that, waiting for that to dry, and then painting. Then the flooring people. We got the flooring from Home Depot. I'm still waiting for someone to get back to me as to when they can come and put the floor down. I have to say that I'm not thrilled with the fact that it's taking them so long to give me a date, especially since we paid up front, which I'm not happy about that either, paying for a service that I have not received yet. So if you do go through Home Depot for flooring, just buyer beware. They want you to pay up front for the install, which I think is crappy. So we may be canceling that with them. We know someone who can put the floor down. We have the floor, so it's just a matter of putting it down, and we may end up getting our money back from Home Depot and going through them. So just wanted to let you see where the progress is on the she shed and documenting this for myself as well. And I'll talk at you later. Bye. Doing electrical today, putting all the fixtures up. The floor is finished. Yay! With 2 boxes to spare. They did a great job. Now we need to just put the shoe molding around the edges, paint that floorboard and the shoe molding and the molding around the door, and I will be ready to move everything in.